screenshot this yummy ingredients list for this recipe. And let's get started.
I just chopped up a bunch of celery and added it to the crockpot. You use about a cup of celery chopped, or how much ever you have. I just needed to use up my celery, so I just chopped up all of them. I have 1 10-ounce can of cream of celery. And I'm going to add 2 10.5-ounce cans of cream of chicken. I added a pound of turkey shredded. Now, if you don't have shredded chicken, do what I did. I just added like 2 cans of canned turkey because I need to use it and it's there. So a mixture of both. Whatever you have, use it. I added 2 cups of baby carrots cut in half. You can just add up 2 cups of carrots diced however you want. That's what I did. I added a half of an onion diced. There's a half of a large onion diced. Whatever you choose. You can do a whole onion for all. Now it's just your thing. 4 cups of potatoes. Cut in wedges. Cooked and steamed. I just have them in my fridge already. So I dumped it. You can add mashed potatoes. We add 4 cups of potatoes. Probably about 4 small potatoes, 5 small potatoes, you choose. I'm adding 4 cups of water, 4 teaspoons of chicken broth powder, or 4 cubes of bouillon, or you can substitute 4 cups of chicken broth, 4 cups of chicken stock in place of the water and the bouillon cube stuff. Whatever you have. 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. You can do 2 cups of half and half, or 2 cups of sorry, my phone died. So you can substitute the cream with half and half, yogurt, Greek yogurt, or sour cream. So it's all good. I also sprinkled to taste sage, rosemary, garlic salt, and pepper. And that's it. Now I'm gonna gently stir it. Set the crock pot on low and cook for 7 hours. At the 6-hour mark, add a cup of wild rice if you want. Ooh, pretty. I'm adding 2 cups of rice. 2 cups of rice. You can add 1 cup of wild rice, 2 cups of rice. Depends on how much you want. So 1 to 2 cups of rice is a good eyeball. And it'll cook for another hour until it's done. Here's the result. Use 1 cup rice less to be more like a soup. Otherwise, it'll look more like a very thick risotto. But delicious.
Watch one of these videos picked here just for you. Hit the subscribe and like button. I'll see you next video. Bye.